Okay, example 1. Write this function in standard form. So 1, in standard form, it has to be in order of power. So the highest power is x to the fourth. The coefficient of x to the fourth is negative. The next one is 2x cubed, and that's positive, plus 5x squared minus x. So it's fourth degree, which is even. The lead coefficient is negative 1 because I have negative 1 x to the fourth. So the end behavior is it's falling to the right and the left. Okay, now to graph, and first give the x-intercept. So this is example 2. The x-intercepts are at the zeros of the function. So 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x. All right, to find zeros, I'm going to factor. So let me take out negative x. So that's x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. This cubic, it doesn't look like I have the ability to factor it, but I could say one of the zeros is at where negative x is 0, so that's x equals 0. Then I put the equation into my graphing calculator and I graph it. I had to play with the window a little bit to make sure that I get a complete graph. Okay, the y-intercept, b, is easy to find. The y-intercept is just the function's value at 0, which is negative 0 to the fourth plus 2 times 0 to the third plus 5 times 0 squared minus 0, which is 0. The other zeros I'm going to have to find by using my second calc 0. I want to find this left with the one on the left first, so I need to go to the left of that 0 first, and then to the right of that 0, and it looks like negative 1.5757773, and then the next 0 we know is at 0, so I'm not going to bother with that one, but the 0 on the right I want to find, so I'm traveling past both zeros. Now I am on the left of it. To the right of it means, okay, let's go below the 0. It's somewhere between here and here. So the 0 is at approximately 3.388. So x equals 3.388. The y-intercept, you just plug in y for 0. Maximum or minimum points. I see on my graph I've got 2 maxima. So second calc maximum. Go to the left of a maximum. Here we go. Then to the right of the maximum. So max. It's at about 2.47 and 20.95. And there's another relative max, which is over here. So second calc max. Travel to the left of this other maximum. Okay. To the right of the max. And the second max is at negative 1.066, approximately 3.034. And this one is the the absolute max, and this is a relative max. So that's the answer to D. All right, example 3. Find all the zeros of the function. Example 3. So f of x is x to the 4th minus 4x squared. All the zeros are where the function is with 0. So x to the 4th minus 4x squared. Let's factor it. X squared is common. X squared minus 4. Factor it all the way. 0 equals x squared times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So the zeros are where this is 0, x is 0. Where this is 0, x is negative 2. And last one, where that's 0, where x is positive 2. Okay, example 4. Show that this function f of x is 3x cubed minus 10x plus 9 has a real 0 between negative 3 and 2. So find f of negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 cubed minus 10 times negative 3 plus 9. So use my calculator. 3 times negative 3 cubed minus 10 times negative 3 plus 9. That's negative 42. And then negative 2, let's find the function's value at negative 2, which is 3 times negative 2 cubed minus 10 times negative 2 plus 9. So here it is on my calculator. 3 times negative 2 cubed, that's 5. Here's a sign change. So if the function has changed from negative to 0, there's a 0 in between negative 3 and negative 2.